Which article of the Constitution of India accords special status of the state of Jammu and Kashmir? Answer D. 370. What is the middle unit in the three-tier Panchayati Raj system? Answer B. Panchayat Samiti. Age of a candidate of contest parliamentary election should not be lesser than. Answer C. 25 years. What is the scientific name of the national animal tiger of India? Answer B. Panthera tigris. The Election Commission was converted into 3 members commission in the following year. Answer D. 1990. Which of the following is the source of income of Gram Panchayat? Answer D. Levy duties. In which year was High Court in Madras established? Answer A. 1862. The first woman to be the Speaker of Lok Sabha is dash. Answer D. Meera Kumar. In the discharge of his functions, the Attorney General is assisted by. Answer B. 2 Solicitors General and the 4 additional Solicitors General. Lotteries organized by the government of a state come under. Answer B. State list. A change in the distribution of power between the central and state can be done by. Answer C. Amending the constitution. In which respect have the center-state relations been specifically termed as municipal relations? Answer D. Central control of the state in planning process. Which of the following are true? Answer D. First, second and third. The Vidhan Sabha is. Answer C. Subject to dissolution. Who among the following is a legal advisor of the state government as provided by the Constitution? Answer C. Advocate General. What do you understand by the double role of the governor? Answer D. Constitution ruler and an agent of the center. The cabinet system of government originated in. Answer A. Britain. The President of India can be removed from office by impeachment for. Answer A. Violation of the Constitution of India. The Contingency Fund of India has been placed at the disposal of the. Answer B. President. The Vice President is elected by an electoral college consisting of the member of. Answer D. Both houses of Parliament. The most controversial amendment passed during the emergency was. Answer B. 42nd. What is the scientific name of national bird peacock of India? Answer A. Pavo cristatus. Which among the following countries was the earliest to give women the right to vote? Answer C. New Zealand. English is the official language of which one of the following Indian state? Answer A. Nagaland. When was the Anti-Defection Act was passed? Answer B. 15 February 1985. The constitutional amendment by which the age for voting has been revised from 21 years to 18 years is. Answer C. 61st. Who is the chairman of Second Administrative Reforms Commission? Answer C. M. Veerappa Moily. Which of the following Indian state has no Panchayati Raj institution? Answer D. Nagaland. The chairman of Public Accounts Committee is answer B. Appointed by Speaker. Which of the following parliamentary committees in India act as watchdog on departmental expenditure and irregularities? Answer C. Public Accounts Committee. Which of the following statements regarding the Estimates Committee are correct? Answer B. First, third and fourth. Under a single integrated hierarchical judicial system, the High Court in the state are directly under the answer D. Supreme Court. Which of the following rights is issued by the court in the case of illegal detention of a person? Answer A. Habeas corpus. The age of retirement of the judge of the High Court is answer A. 62 years. A judge of the Supreme Court of India is to hold office until he attains the age of answer D. 65 years. When can the salaries of the judge of Supreme Court be reduced during their terms of office? Answer B. During a financial emergency. The salary and allowances of the governor are charged to answer A. Consolidated fund of the state. The special status of Jammu and Kashmir implies the status has answer B. A separate constitution. If in an election to a state legislative assembly, the candidate who is declared election loses his deposit, it means that answer D. A very large number of candidates contested the election. Membership of the Legislative Assembly can vary between 60 and 500, but the exception to this rule are found in answer D. First, second and third. The legal advisor to the state government is known as answer A. Advocate General. Who was the first Chief Minister of Uttarakhand State? Answer B. Nityanand Swami. The mobile court in India is the brainchild of answer A. Justice Bhagwati. Which one of the following Indian state does not keep its own High Court? Answer D. Manipur. Provision regarding municipalities and panchayats was made in the Indian Constitution in which year? Answer B. 1993. The implementation of Jawar Rozgar Yojana resides with answer A. Gram Panchayat. The first Finance Commission was constituted in answer B. 1951. How many types of emergencies are envisaged by the Constitution? Answer C. 3. Fundamental duties enacted in the Part 4A the Constitution are answer D. No more than mean to create physiological consciousness among the citizens and of education value. The Union of India consists of answer A. First only.